Hello everyone. In this section we are going to discuss about artifacts. Okay, what is artifacts? Okay, first of all, artifacts is the output of your Jenkins jobs. It can be a build which is prepared. In case of Java, it can be a jar file or a var file. In case of for Docker, it can be a Docker file. Okay, this is build. Okay, what is Docker? That is Docker image. Okay, it can be a report as well. That is also considered as a report like cucumber test report is there, or any other test report is there, that is also considered as a artifact. So whenever a Jenkins job triggers, it runs it, and when it runs it, it generates some kind of output. That output can be your build. Okay, that can be a report. In case of Ansible, if you're running a Ansible playbook, it can be a report of compliance of your system, compliance report. Okay, so all these things are considered as an artifact. Now question comes, where you will publish this artifact? If it's a jar file, var file, you will use the Maven distribution to distribute it. In case of Docker image, you will use Docker registry. In case of reports, depending on the plugins, you will publish it out. You can use the JFrog artifactory to release that thing. Okay, in this example, we are going to generate a text file. That text file output, I will publish it onto the Jenkins dashboard only. Okay, so let's go to the lab and perform the activity. So this is the artifact section. I have the script for the declarative and scripted pipeline both. Let's see the scripted pipeline. This start from pipeline syntax. Agent is any. We are creating a build. Okay, so I am creating a directory. This directory will be created into a workspace. By default, under wildlib Jenkins, whatever project we created, under the workspace, the project name will be there and the output directory will be created there. Under the output directory, I am writing a file, that is text file, and a file with the extension .md also I am writing it out. While archiving the artifacts, I am just writing archive artifacts. Okay, then a question come, how I got this syntax, which should be excluded, which should be included. Let's see how I got this syntax as well. Let's copy and paste this thing. Go to our Jenkins dashboard, click on that, new item, click on pipeline job, say that RT archive architect, because this job is archiving the artifacts. Okay, how you save your artifacts basically. Okay, so click on OK, and now I paste on my code. Okay, in this particular syntax which I told how I got this thing, you'll see here one option is coming, pipeline syntax. Click on that, you'll see that option is there. A lot of options are there. One of them is archive artifacts. Okay, the moment I click on that, files to archive, I just say txt start.txt. Okay, there is a advanced option is also there which should be excluded. Okay, I just click on start.md. Okay, and I just say generate the pipeline syntax. So this pipeline syntax is the one, archive artifacts start.txt exclude md follows symlinks false. Okay, this is the way you can generate the pipeline syntax and copy and paste in the stage section. Okay, same thing we did it here. I just save it. Now I click on build now. The moment I click on build now, the build will trigger. It will generate the, first it will create the output directory. Inside that it will create the uh, text document. Okay, click on that, you'll see there is a console output is there, and this is the where it is archiving the artifacts. This is the .txt file is there, but there is no .md file because the md file we have excluded in the syntax. If I click on that, you can see this is a text document. If you see the console output, couple of things you need to observe it. Under, see, this is home Amit workspace. There is a workspace is there which is under Jenkins server. Now you can say, Amit, it is not going under wildlib Jenkins because I am using one node which is master node, and there I have defined the home directory is slash home forward slash home forward Amit forward slash Amit. I'll just show you here under manage Jenkins. If I go here under nodes, master is there. If I click on that, configure, and I just define the home directory. That's why the workspace is by default going forward slash home forward slash Amit. Okay, and there is a workspace is created here. I'll just go here and show you. cd /home /Amit ls cd workspace. Here you will see it that artifacts directory is created. If I go here, you see output directory is created. Two document is there, useful file.txt and .md file is there. Because since we have archived the artifacts which is extension, which has the extension .txt, that's why you are seeing it that has been published and other one is excluded. So this is the way you will archive the artifacts using the pipeline as a syntax. Thank you guys. Let's connect to the in the next session.